Hi, this is David Comfort from Democracy Action Network. Did you know that the Supreme Court just ruled that women on Medicaid can't choose their own doctors? That's right. In a shocking decision, the court decided that unless Republican state legislators in South Carolina approve, women can't even sue the state to defend their civil rights. Ever notice how the rights of the most vulnerable are the first to be stripped away? It's honestly crazy, but also incredibly unfair. This ruling, stemming from the Medina versus Planned Parenthood case, isn't even directly about abortion. It's about the fundamental right to choose your own healthcare provider. Imagine being a woman in South Carolina, needing essential gynecological services, and being told you can't go to the provider you trust simply because of a political agenda. This is a blatant attack on poor women, who are often the most reliant on Medicaid for their healthcare needs. Justice Neil Gorsuch, writing for the 6-3 majority, claimed that the law guaranteeing freedom of choice was not clear enough to support a private right to sue. This is absurd. The Medicaid Act explicitly states that individuals eligible for assistance can obtain it from any qualified provider. But instead of upholding this right, the court has decided to twist the law to serve a narrow political agenda. What if I told you this isn't just about healthcare? This ruling is part of a larger effort to undermine civil rights protections established under the Civil Rights Act of 1871. It's a direct attack on the very framework that allows individuals to hold the government accountable for discrimination. This isn't just a legal issue, it's a moral one. But here's the inspiring takeaway. We have the power to change this narrative. We must prioritize taking back control of the Supreme Court and advocate for the rights of all individuals, especially those marginalized by these decisions. The fight for civil rights and women's rights is far from over. Let's rally together, mobilize, and stand up against this injustice. We can turn these big problems into puzzles we can solve collectively. Change is possible, and hope is not lost. Together, we can create a future where everyone has the right to choose their own healthcare provider, free from political interference. So let's get to work and build a better tomorrow. This is David Comfort from Democracy Action Network. Peace. You can sign up for Dan by scanning this QR code.